My name is Sabrina, and today we're going to make a catapult! So this is what we're going to need. Wood and hardware, screws, and rubber bands. So this is going to come down, and then it's going to hit here, and then it's going to land there, and then it's going to click there, and then Then we got to figure out how to do this. It will open up here, and then it's going to fling up, and then back down, and then here. Okay, maybe that didn't happen, but it still turned out great though. So we took it to the school to test it out. Test 1, 4 rubber bands, 58 inches. Test 2, 6 rubber bands, 89 inches. Test 3, 8 rubber bands, 142 inches. The beanbag's been thrown into the ground, so we needed to change the launch angle. We changed the angle by putting wood here. Test 4. 8 rubber bands. 180 inches. Test 5. 12 rubber bands. $372 inches. Test 6. 12 rubber bands have your beanbag. 227 inches. Here are 3 things that affect the distance. Number 1, the number of rubber bands. More rubber bands made it go farther. Number 2, how heavy the beanbags are. Lighter beanbags went farther. Number 3, the launch angle. We had to get the angle right for the beanbag when it slammed into the ground. Me and Dad had a lot of fun making this catapult, and I hoped you enjoyed it too. Special thanks to Mom for making the beanbags and for helping us measure. Thanks for watching.